Okay, so I went to Home Depot, got me a 24-inch pipe wrench, and that idea that I told you guys about backing it off and treating it like a screw, it worked. So you can see, once again, you got two holes that connect the auger peg. So you can see the peg has holes in it. And so I used some unistrut that I had. I'm not strong enough to lift this auger out. It's heavy in and of itself, even though it's hollow, it's really heavy. So I lifted it up, got some unistrut, and just started lifting, and then used one unistrut to kind of wedge it up, and unistrut. So anyways, I came up with this effect right here, and you can see the ingot exposed, little big dude. And yeah, it kind of poinged when I loosened it up when it came off that peg. Yeah, this was causing the tension, and it kind of raised up a little bit. Not like a springboard, I mean, it's metal, it's not going to do that, but a little bit. And so I backed it off, it came off the peg, exposing the ingot. And by the by, you got to have like a plastic bucket or something like that, because all the lead that you have in that upward trough is going to spill out whenever, of course, you lift the auger out of the way. And so yeah, that's what I have going on there. Yep, so now it's time to chisel out this ingot. And you know, I'm using transmission fluid. I figure that's, I don't know what I'm doing, but transmission fluid is what's used metal on metal in your vehicle, so hopefully it'll kind of act as some type of lubricant as I go to town on this ingot. Kind of see the transmission fluid. So I'll post back whenever I make another video, whenever I got that out of the way, and hopefully I can slide up this auger. I just want to show you the hole. There's the hole right there. There's the peg. I need to clean that off right there a little bit, and then I'll put some no-sees on that, get it to slide on there a little bit easier. Okay, time to have some fun.